Hey guys, it's Alexa again here, back with another video. So yeah, I'm back again, and hopefully you guys enjoyed this video more than you guys enjoyed the first video I came out with. I know that was a little horrible, not really, I tried, okay? But today we're going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Vault, and we're going to be using the palette Ring the Alarm. So if you guys like this makeup or like the result of this, just go ahead and keep watching. And if you guys could like and subscribe, that would be so thankful, and I would love you guys forever. So again, just keep on watching. Thank you. You're so funny. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by first moisturizing our face. I use this little Bond's moisturizer. It's a correcting cream. What I do is I just grab it. I put a lot on because I think putting a lot on will actually help a lot more than putting a little on. And it smells so good. So good. And you just want to rub that into your skin. But gently, because you don't want wrinkles. You don't want wrinkles. And then I like to moisturize my eyebrows too. This is what we're going to be using. Getting out. I have a lot of pores right here, so I just pack it on. Then for a primer today, we're going to be using the Too Faced Hangover. I really like this one because it doesn't leave me too oily or too dry. I like to do my face before doing my eyes. Recently, I've been using the CC Cream by It Cosmetics, and I really like this because it's like full coverage, but it doesn't leave me so cakey. I like using my little Real Techniques sponge. I really take my time with this because I feel like it'll come out better. Hopefully this video comes out better than my first video because that was embarrassing. And then I start going in with my concealer. What I've been using recently is the Tarte Shape. I'm going to just go under the eye. I don't think I mentioned this, but today we're going to be using the Vault palette, but like all of the little palettes. I have all of them right here. I think we're going to go in with Ring the Alarm. I guess I should show you guys. And then I go in with my sponge again. Start doing this. And then I just go ahead and I set that real quick. I get wrinkles so fast. And then I kind of just bring it down a little bit. I don't know, I just get super itchy like on the sides, and I just want to scratch it all off. And this brush, I got it from Morphe, and it was just in one of those sets. So I'm just going to dip it in to my Hoola bronzer. I'm just going to put that right here in the crease. So we're just going to go in with the Hoola and bronze up the face. Bronze all of this. After bronzing, we're going to go in with our eyeliner. So today we'll be using All Day Liquid Liner by Maybelline. So what I do first is I just start off by like lining my eyeliner, and then I go back in and I fill it all in. Honestly, take your time doing this because man oh man, my eyelids are so wrinkly, it's ridiculous, and I don't know how to prevent it, so if you guys could help me out, that would be great. So there goes that, and that's my eyeliner. And then finally now we're going to get to the exciting part and pull out the Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. So this is the palette we're going to be using. The Ring the Alarm. We'll see which ones come out good, but super cute, super cute. Okay, we're just going to put it all over our lid, basically, is what we're going to do. So we're going to grab Mugshot, dip it in there, and Secret. We're going to start in the outer corner and work our way in, kind of doing like circle motions I don't know, I feel like it looks way better than actually like taking your time and like doing the whole eyelid and then going in with your eyeliner. I feel like this just saves me so much time. Everyone has their own like techniques to blending. I know some girls like just go like this, like the windshield wiper motion. But personally, I like to do like circles and then I do a windshield and then circles and then a windshield. I don't know, I feel like that works best for me. Now, we're going to just clean up our eyebrows. So, any little brush will do. Do a little like that. And then I go right underneath the brow right here. I start and I just carve it out and then I bring it in. But I do like most of the product to be on the outside rather than the inside. So we're just going to go back in with that Morphe brush that I like, the M441, and blend this out. I've been obsessed with this little cozy jacket. I got it from Sam's Club and it was only like 15 bucks and I was like, I have to take that home with me. I have to. Sure enough, I came home with it and my mom bought one the next day. We're just gonna put mascara on our lashes. Like that. So I was kind of thinking of like, you know, doing makeup videos but then like also like vlogging my life, because my life is pretty like, I don't know, you guys tell me how you guys would feel with that. As if a lot of you guys watch me, but whatever. I'll do it if I want to, okay? Just like that. And then we're just going to do some light contouring with the, I don't know, it's this one by Kat Von D. Go in with, honestly, all 3 shades of the dark. Just go in. And then, there we go. I just cleaned my brushes for you guys and they smell so good. So good. On the jawline. So now we're going to put a blush on. We're going to go back in with that Jaclyn. The Jaclyn by Becca. And we're going to take this brush from Real Techniques. We're going to use it as a blush brush. Now we're going to go in with Morphe M501 and we're just going to pick up some of the highlights and highlight our cheekbones. Great. Now what we're going to do is, since my sponge is still wet, we're just going to spray this and we're going to go directly on top of that highlight so it could look like it's melted into the skin. So we're just going to go in with some loose powder and carve that out. Maybe I should do a little on my nose. No, bad idea. So we're just going to let that sit on the face for a couple of seconds. I got this watermelon lip scrub from Ulta. It's pretty cute, but honestly I never really use it, as you can see, but we're going to use it today. Gross. It's like watermelon, but I'd rather not. We're going to go in and put in our lashes right now. We're just going to apply a little right here on the band of the lash. So then we're just going to grab the lash. And then we're just going to put them on with your little tweezers, and you're just going to set them right in the middle. And then I just push it in the inner corner and then the outer corner. So middle, outer corner, and then, or no, middle, inner corner, and then outer corner. Those are done. So now we could wipe this powder off. So like that, and then just press it back into the skin. We're going to go in with our Hoola bronzer and a little mini brush like this. Well, now we just like put some Hoola underneath the eye. I feel like it just brightens up your eye, or it opens it up a little more. We're going to put mascara on the bottom lashes now. So just put mascara. My mom always tells me, que tengo ojos de vaca. I don't know what she meant by that phrase, but whatever. Alright, So now we're just going to be doing our lip gloss. So we're going to be using the Buxom, I don't know, in the shade Samantha. Yeah. So there's that. Let me put my hair down. And that's the final look.